There's a nice buck right there. 4x4. All right, we decided to eat in the truck because got 50-mile-an-hour winds out there. Okay, we just stumbled across the bear track. Check that out. Yeah, right on, there's a fresh antler rub. Heck yeah. There's a wild Mustang. Fully hurricane force winds in there. Well, we survived the storm. I had a flash flood come down this canyon. Look at this cattle grate. All these branches wrapped around the posts on either side of it. All right, well there's our bald tires from the kicked mud. Dude, you got it, Owen. All right, we landed at the Holiday Inn on the deer hunt because roads were super muddy on the mountain. And I left my chains at home and I didn't want to get stuck either, so playing it safe. Tomorrow morning, hopefully we'll be lucky. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I had to find ourselves a perfect breakfast here before we head up on the mountain. Yep. Biscuits and gravy, baby, with bacon. Yeah, there's some more deer. Yeah, we got 4 more does going working their way up the hill there. No bucks that we can see. Saw a group of deer and we monitored those deer for a little bit. And just a little bit further up the road from the group of does and fawns, we saw the buck. And Owen took the buck. 1 shot. All right, we're walking up to go dress out the deer so we can get it in the truck. Right on. Thank you, deer.
Holy crap, man.
Put some food on the table. All right, give me a thumbs up, Owen. Woohoo, Miles. Right on. Well, all right, we got 1 buck in the truck. Hey, that's rhymes.
Yeah.
Anyway, it was Owen. What do you think about that, Owen?
It's pretty cool. I spotted it like nobody else saw it. I barely saw it because it blended in with the dead trees. So,
Good shot.
No
Thanks.
suffering. It was good. Yep. Thank you, deer. Be good eating you on the table.
yep.
Right on. Tenderloins wrapped in bacon. Oh yeah. It's a pretty good refrigerator. Got the back straps and tenderloins right here in the snow. Cooling down.
Yeah, we found some wild horses.
All right, we decided to eat in the truck because got 50-mile-an-hour winds out there. And it's a little chilly. But we're eating good. We're eating MRAs, peak roof fuels, and mountain houses, and yeah, good stuff. Okay, we just stumbled across the bear track. Check that out. That's a big old bear too. Holy crap, it's going up into there. Yeah, right on, there's a fresh antler rub. Heck yeah. Fully hurricane force winds in there. Staying on the mountain tonight. Yeah, dang, there's a storm blowing in, so I hope it doesn't dump a bunch of rain and snow. But it was 3 hours and 20 minutes to the town to go to a hotel again tonight, so this is what we got. Woo! It's time for dinner.
Yep.
So we got our hot water cooking there for our mountain houses and our peak refuels. Got the boys over there. Heck yeah. It's windy. It's like 45-mile-an-hour gusts. It's crazy. All right. Finally found a dud. Holy cow. Peak Refuel is really good. It's gourmet. Everything I've ever tried has been spot on, perfect, leaps and bounds better than any other meal I've ever had. But this one, waste of $14. This one, boo. I'm gonna stick to their others because they're way better than this one. As you can see, I'm a fan because I got a lot of Peak Refuels in there. It's a wee bit windy.
Yeah, it is.
That's so windy out here.
Super windy.
Well, we survived the storm. It was a windy night. Holy crap, I thought the tent was gonna blow down. Anyway, looks like the storm has passed. Got some blue sky above. There's a little bit of clouds there, but still coming, but the storm has passed. By golly, looks like we got about an inch, maybe 2 inches of snow last night. Whew. Hey, what are we doing? We're improvising. Peak Refuel breakfast skillet on tortillas. Got our little heater right here. And just warm up the tortilla real quick on both sides. That's good. And voila, breakfast burrito. How is it?
Really good. Yep.
Awesome.
Flapping.
Right by my head.
Breakfast.
Snow outside.
Snow off the tent. It's icy.
Oh yeah.
It's like ice.
Because you said it rained before it.
Yeah, it rained before it snowed and it's all icy.
All icy like that.
We got a heater.
Oh yeah.
Makeshift campfire.
Well, all right, we broke camp. That's where the tent was. The boys are still smiling, so that's good.
Oh, there's deer to the right. Deer right here.
It goes.
So they're moving around. Might be a buck right behind them.
This is the hill down, right?
Yeah. Slip into the ditch, you're done.
Dang. There's still a spot up there, like down the next portion of this.
Yeah, George and I went down this with chains on all fours. and it was muddy. Yeah, we might be mostly down this hill, but this doesn't make this road any better than up there. Okay. Damn. Now you see why I was so hesitant about camping on the mountain. Yeah. All right then. That was about as much excitement as I want today. Yep. Damn. About all I can handle right there. I'm like, well, I'm turning, but my wheel's this way, so I had to straighten my wheel out. And I started to climb, and then I sucked back.
Yep, I felt it.
I let it go a little faster because I knew I was going to hit bottom. Yep, and hit the side.
Bottom
my
side.
My fender touched the dirt on the side.
Oh really?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Now you're living my past PTSD
Of this road.
Yeah. All right. Well, there's our bald tires from the kicked mud. We had a couple of nail biters. We cut a couple of diamonds out our rear end. But by golly, thumbs up. We went. Oh, it was ugly. You don't even know. It had a flash flood come down this canyon. Look at this cattle grate. All these branches wrapped around the posts on either side of it. Dang, that's a pretty good flash flood.
Nice area for them to be.
I haven't seen any sign of anything in this canyon.
Nada.
Picked a dud, I guess.
Maybe, I don't know.
Only need one buck to make it not a dud.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was deep.
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, that's a big, big one. Go for it. Oh my gosh.
Gotta love that.
Yeah, that's so cool.
It's one way to get the mud off your wheel wells.
Yeah.
Alright, we made it to the Great Hunt Panel. Indian petroglyphs from way back when. Some of those are graffiti, but that's the main event right there. Pretty cool. There's the story that talks about it. Just stop and play at the hole in the rock. Stick your head through the hole. Take a picture out here. Well, we just came down off the mountain. There's a herd of elk down there. Right on, we'll get a closer look, see if there's any bulls in that group. It's a pretty good herd.